What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nat, and we back with another banger video. As always, what we're getting into tonight, man, is a little bit of a highway takeover POV, man. It's a cold night. I'm dolo by myself. Just want to cut up in traffic for y'all real quick, man, and show y'all how this straight pipe Scatpack sound, man. Let's hop into this vid. We are in Mexico. We doing the speed limit. And I got my handy dandy friend right here, boy. That detector gonna show it all, so. I was trying to get some people to cut up with in traffic, but I guess they was too cold, or they didn't want to turn up with me. You can really bully cars out the way, man. It's a bully car. Oh, it's too late for you to get out of the way, man. I will tell you this, man, if you're getting a Scat, it is not about miles per gallon, bro. Straight miles per gallon. Do not buy this car if you're trying to save gas. And these cars love this temperature, man. It's 30 degrees. It's perfect. You gotta watch these Mustangs. Sometimes they be cops, man, especially here. You got a Georgia license plate? I don't know. I don't think I want to risk it. He's next to me. But he's chilling. Yeah, he's just chilling. He ain't trying to get nothing. Mustang don't want nothing. Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, we on a chase. Yeah, we on a chase. Oh yeah, come get some. I don't think that's a. I can't tell what that is. It don't sound like no damn 5.0. Yeah, that's a V6. It don't matter, he getting caught. Nope, you getting caught. It sounds good to be, I'm pretty sure it's a V6. It sounds good though, I'm not finna hold y'all. That don't sound bad at all, actually. Wait, huh? Oh, we got the pull on him. I don't know if he was paying attention or not. I can't tell what that is. I'm pretty sure it's a V6, bro, because 5.0 would have been much louder than that. And it would have been more of an even fight. That don't sound bad though, man, for a V6. That ain't 12. That's a radar, but it ain't 12. See if I can get him to my left. Sorry for the wind, y'all. Oh, it's cold, boy. I'm confused, bro. That must say Roush on the side. I don't know if he got it up bashed. Yeah, that's I can't tell, bro. Not finna hold you, bro. That sounds good though. It ain't bad. It's got a little bit of power behind it too. Bro, I can't keep letting this window down. It's too damn cold. I'm giving him the hit. You got the hit, bro. Cause I'm gonna pull on his ass. Yep. Damn, that was worse than before. Woo! Let's go, baby. Oh yeah, he's done for it. He's done for it. Yeah, he's done for it, boy. I give it to him. I mean, that mud, it sounds good, but it just can't keep up with his scat, boy. If it was a 5.0, it would have been much better run. If it's a V6, he got something done to it, because again, it's still, it got a little bit of a pickup to it, but it ain't enough, man. This was gonna be a regular little POV, man, but we made it exciting, man. I guess a Mustang wanted to run real quick, just beat him up real fast. If y'all want to see more content like that, man, make sure to drop a like, comment, man, subscribe. We on our way to 3K subs, man. Hope y'all enjoy that kind of content. We just on the go with it, man. I didn't know that was gonna happen. I don't even know, dude, but we just got into it, man. But that was a good little run. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a V6. It's definitely something done to it. I will tell you that. Because it still had a little bit of get up to it. It ain't this, man. This thing is a beast. I'll tell you that. But everybody in the comments gonna say, oh, it's a V6. It is what it is. He wanted to run me in traffic, bro. I can't control that. It is what it is. I don't even know where he went at. I think he just cruising. I didn't even want to go this way. I was supposed to get off like X6 ago, bro. It took me from now being 10 minutes from the crib, now I'm 30 minutes from the crib, bro. I gotta hop back around on the expressway. We just chilling, man. I always say this, man, a lot of my videos, if you're new to my channel, man, this quarter intake I got in my car is like, it's like no other. This thing is loud. I'm not gonna lie. This thing, like, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it like literally has like a little bit of a whine to it. It be putting in a lot of work, bro. It sounds amazing. Like I said, I don't know if the camera picks it up. If it does, just let me know in the comments, man. 'Cause I can't even hear when I edit it, but some people say they hear it. So I don't know if it's just me or whatever the situation is. But can I hop back on the expressway right here? I damn sure hope so. I don't know where I'm at. I'm not finna lie to y'all. I have no idea where I'm at, man. I'm so far away from the house now. I just wanna hop back on the expressway, get headed back home. Man, where am I at? Oh, hell. Hell no. How I get home, bro? That wasn't it. That's not how I get home. I just want to get to the crib. It's got to be coming up somewhere else. That was definitely the wrong exit. Yeah, I definitely wasn't supposed to be going there. I think that's my exit up there. little too damn far, bro. I missed my exit. I must say going from Florida, bro. I'm entering to Georgia, bro. Nah, we gotta turn around. Messing with that dang Mustang, man. This was, like I said, supposed to be a chill little POV, but I guess not, man. And I went from state to state. Yeah, let me get back on my exit. I don't want nothing to do over here, boy. The state troopers over here in Georgia, no sir. Them boys are ruthless. I don't want nothing to do with that. Yeah, but look at this. Welcome to Georgia. I done drove the state line, bro. Man, messing around with y'all. This is supposed to be a chill POV. I done end up in a whole nother state. Nah, for real, I don't live too close from the border. Florida state line, Florida Georgia line. So nah, it ain't nothing, bro. I'm further from home than I want to be, but hey, when opportunity knocks, you get to run a Mustang, run it, bro. Oh, out here, that's a cop right there, boy. I done ran several 5.0s, man. They give up a good fight. Obviously better than what that Mustang did, but they give up a good fight. But like I said, there's something done to that one. Cause again, to be a V6, it still had to get up to it, bro. And it sounded good. Like I said, I'm pretty sure there's no way that was a damn V8. It said Roush on it. I don't know if it was up bash or not, but I'm just trying to get back to the crib now. If y'all enjoying the video so far, man, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, man. Show some love. I can't see nothing, bro. This tent's so dark. Yeah, let's get up out of Georgia. Let's get our ass back home, boy. Yeah, I need to go back to Jacksonville. Heck nah, bro. This cop is, but he's sitting somewhere because my that radar picking him up. Y'all can hear it whistling. If y'all not invested in one of these, you need to get one because it really good investment. Yeah, I don't know where this cop is. He probably is further down there. I don't think he was sitting right here because it would have been going crazier. Temper just keep dropping over here. It was like 39 when I started the video, now it's 36. You know what else drop? This damn gas, boy. I'm telling you, don't get one of these cars to save gas, because that's the last thing you're gonna save. There we go, put us right back in Florida. Now for a lot of y'all though, man, I got a good little trip, good little ways back home, like 20-30 minutes. It's probably not gonna be nothing crazy. We done turned up for y'all. Like I said, it's supposed to be just a regular POV, but that Mustang made it exciting, man. So if y'all new, again, man, I'm tired of saying it, but like, comment, subscribe, show love. We're gonna consistently drop more bangers, man, and we'll be back with another one. Peace.